storm. What's a storm? A condition of the weather with a strong wind, lightning, rain, problems. Thunder in the morning, all day storm. Do you know any idioms? Yes. There are some things you can learn in school. What do you think? The word storm comes from Old English. Synonyms: drought, weather, and weather. Antonyms: calm. How do you say storm in Spanish? Tormenta. And in Galician, trovoada. Let's complete. Storm bad, stormy, 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 stormer, stormy. Look, a storm is coming.